Today we're going to be talking about Python character encodings and character encodings in general, as well as how to decode and encode them. I'm Ayan, and now let's go right into it. So what are character encodings in general? Nearly every language like C++, JavaScript, etc. have something to do with character encodings. Basically, it's a list of characters that can be numerically represented in a binary way, something that computers can understand. We can think it as the alphabet, but for computers. Now, there are many different ones, but I'll stick with some of them. For example, there are UTF-8, UTF-16, UTF-32, etc., etc. There's ASCII and ANSI and others. These are whole different types of sets. So now let's see what to do with encoding and decoding them. We'll use Python as an example, but you can use any other language. So for Python, we need to convert this into a, let's say, UTF-16 array, just like that. So now we need to create a variable called bytes equals that. So now, if you want to decode this, you can just do decoded text equals bytes.decode UTF-16 array. So what's this? If I just say something like it will go quite fine. As you can see, hold on, let me see it text. As you can see right here, it goes quite fine. Just like here. It says hello world. But what happens when we switch this to another format? For example, let's say UTF-8, that's a whole different format with different syntax. It still works since it's ASCII, but what if we try 16BE, which is a completely different format? You get garbled characters. Why? Because the encoding isn't the same. Sometimes it might just work, other times it won't. So that is the basic of character encodings and how do you implement them in Python. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to like, comment, share, and follow. Until then, see you next time.